Kyoya Kajjikaa Yalu. Dumplings with milk and nuts. A dessert from India. Serves
You will need
4
9
ingredients. Step 1. In a stock pot, boil the milk and sugar mixture over medium heat until it becomes very thick. It becomes so thick that it could easily be made into a soft dough ball. Another way of estimating when it is ready would be to
Step
stir it
2.
a few times. Meanwhile,
If all the
grind the
thickened
cashew
milk is
nuts and
attached to the
almonds
base
into a
of the
coarse
ladle
powder,
and
not sticking to the
keep
sides of
aside.
the vessel.
Mix
Then
the
you can
nut
be sure
powder
to
to
the
the
mixture
mixture
from step 1 and mix thoroughly. Step 3. Soften butter and then mix all the ingredients of set 1. Also add a little tap water so as to form the dough, similar in consistency to that of puri. Keep aside for 10 minutes. Step 4. Divide the dough into small balls about the size of ping pong balls or about the same size as dough ball for puri. Step 5. Next, roll each dough ball with a rolling pin to about the size of a standard puri. Spread a small amount of the filling on one half of the dough circle. Step 6. Wet the edges of the dough circle with water and fold the circle in half, to enclose the stuffing, so as to form a stuffed semicircle. Step 7. Repeat for the remaining dough balls. Step 8. Heat ghee in a deep and wide skillet and deep fry the above Kajjikaa Yalu to a golden shade. Remove from ghee and let cool. Step 9. When they are completely cool, store in an airtight jar. Repeat for the remaining batches. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.